got him really easily. Found 3 of them. They're hiding right behind that fence. But you know what? We can squeeze it right through there. From the camera view, the left one is the one I want to shoot. But doesn't it looks like, well, that one that just flew. Okay, so let me. Oh, I better shut up and shoot, as I say. All right, let's try to get that one on the right. Okay, we threaded that pellet between those, and that was a tight margin. Okay, took a heart and lung shot. That's all was presented to me. Man, look how they blend in so well. I mean, he blends in with the background. Of course, you know, the background is probably 55 yards behind him, but he blends in real well. I mean, look at that, amazing. And as you can see, they sit there and they poop right into the cattle feed, so it's not a good thing whatsoever. It makes the cattle sick and so forth, you know, and it's just not a good thing. All right, let's see if we can get him before he jumps, but he looks like he's kind of comfortable. Okay, nice hard crop shot at 72 yards. Okay, right there. Okay, once again, done it in the second shot. That's 123 yards. Okay, second shot. Upper body.
I got iguanas all the day.
Yeah.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
One shot, 1 kill.
Yes, sir. Nice shot. Nice. Right up in those trees, man. Dropped them. 45 yards. Consistent breeze today. Nice shot. Really nice shot. Guys, that's with a 177 at 45 yards. Headshot. Another one right on the fence, just right next to him. Okay, nice crop shot. And right now I don't see any other landing.